Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to sign up for a DigitalOcean account. First, open Google Chrome and search for DigitalOcean. Now, click on the first official website link. DigitalOcean is a cloud computing platform that allows developers and businesses to build, deploy, and scale applications easily. It provides services like virtual servers, droplets, databases, storage, and networking tools, making it useful for hosting websites, apps, and backend systems. Now click on Sign Up from the top right corner. Then click on Sign Up with Google. Now choose your Google account and click Continue. After that, click on Verify and complete the security CAPTCHA to confirm you are not a bot. Now select what you are using DigitalOcean for, such as work, school, or personal use. Then choose the product you want to get started with for your project, such as a droplet, database, or app platform, and click Get Started. Once completed, your DigitalOcean account will be created and you will be taken to your dashboard where you can start building and deploying projects. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.